is going on? Welcome back to the channel. I seriously appreciate you tuning in today. We're back here in my 2006 Nissan 370Z rev up. It's 77 degrees out, which is just the perfect temperature to go and cruise. So I had to go for a drive. Right now I'm actually on my way over to Target because my SD card in my camera is always cutting out on me. Like, it records for 3 minutes max and then I have to restart the recording, and I can't do it anymore. So I'm going to Target right now. And I also need an adapter for a project we're going to be doing in the 350Z soon. The next few videos we have planned are just, I cannot wait. And I hope you're excited too. Right now is a great time to hit the subscribe button because I cannot wait to drop the next few videos I'm working on right now. Oh man, look at this. The blue sky. They're not purely open roads because there's people in front of us, but I mean, we're still in a bright red 350Z, which is awesome. I would love to see what this car looks like coming down the other side of the road, but oh, we got a cone zone. We got a cone zone. Do you guys know what the speed for cone zone is? 25 miles an hour. But as soon as you're out of the cone zone, right here, end road work. We're good. We're good. Oh, but there's a trailer. Yes. I will say the 350Z, we have the AC on right now. I don't know if it's just because I drive this thing so often, but I can kind of tell when the AC is on. There is a tiny bit of a horsepower and torque loss when the AC is on. I would say we lose probably like 30 horsepower or something like that. So when we went to the dyno that one day, we tested at 271. So with the AC on, I'd say it's around maybe like 250 or something, 245. Still fast, but you can definitely feel the reduction in power. Oh man. That was scary. Even though I've been driving a manual for 5 years now, I still get worried when I'm on like a hill and I have to start from stop. I mean, it's so easy for the car to roll backwards. So maybe I'll make a video in the future coming up soon. I like how, or like the best ways to start from stop. There's a guy, Chris Gaines, on Instagram and YouTube. He made a great video on how to start from a stop. He has different methods. He has like an e-brake method, which is amazing, just so you don't roll backwards. Because the last thing you want to do is try to accelerate from a red light and roll back and hit the person behind you. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe it's your fault because you rolled backwards. I have heard people say that it can be their fault because they were too close to you and didn't give you enough, like they didn't give you enough room. So I don't really know. Let me know in the comments if you know like the rules for that, because I'm actually, my camera cut out again, but let me know if you know the rules for that because I'm actually pretty curious. Oh, check it out. Check it out. Clean. Let's park next to him, yeah? Dang, clean. You know, this is the exact same yellow 370Z that we filmed over at this shop like a month ago. Small world. All right, let's run into Target. Let's do a walk around of both these cars. We got ketchup and mustard right next to each other. So cool. Dang, man. Jeez. Ketchup and mustard. Red and yellow. Yo, should we get a 370Z? That would be insane. That would be insane. Dude, I think it would have to be this yellow color too. Dang, man. Dang. Shoot. Okay, let's go to Target. Dang, so I just still can't get over how clean this 370Z is. Honestly, I feel like I've explained it in the past, but I've always felt like the 370Z was kind of over-styled compared to the 350Z. Like, the 350Z is so subtle. The 370Z has a lot more going on as far as like the taillights and the headlights go, but honestly, really doing like an honest walk around and look at this car, like I don't think I've actually just stared at one, and I would do it. I think I would do it. I mean, it looks wide-bodied already compared to my car. I mean, my car looks pretty wide, but I mean, I feel like 370Z is just on like a different level. But what do you guys think? Should we do it? I mean, that one's not for sale, of course, but I'm sure there's one for sale somewhere out there that we could get. We do have the HR we're painting right now, so I don't know. Sell the HR, buy a 370Z, keep the HR and build that one. Tough. I really honestly, I couldn't tell you, because I'm sure the 370Z has a lot of like quality creature comforts that would be cool to have in the interior, but dang, it's tough though. The chrome door handles are nice. I don't know. All right, so I'm online looking at 370Zs real quick. I just wanted to see, you know, I haven't really looked at 370Zs, I'm not gonna lie. They're kind of expensive. They're like pretty dang expensive. Like, you can get, I mean, I see, there's just like a 2013 and automatic silver salvage title for 15. It's kind of a lot. You can get a really, really nice 350Z HR, low miles, manual for that same price. So, I don't know. But check this out. 25K Nismo 370 in red. That would be pretty sweet next to the red Z, I think. Dang, that's tempting. It's 25,000 though, 2010. That would be pretty sweet, but I don't know if I need 3 Zs. Maybe we do. Maybe we do. All right, let's get back into POV vision. Pretty clean 370Z. If I don't buy one of my friends should, or one of you guys should, something. That would be pretty sweet. All right, I'm headed to work. I work every single day. I saw A. Pauly on Instagram is selling his 370Z. It's pretty nice. It's got carbon fenders, wheels, the whole 9. He wants 25 for it, and it's the color of the HR. It's like that San Marino blue color, which would be pretty sweet to have. But 25, man, I just can't. That's just a lot. Like, maybe someday, but not right now. God, don't want to scrape the lip. All right, we're good. Oh, it's green. Let's send it. Let's get it into second. Oh man, please don't turn red. Please don't turn red. Yes. Oh, but the next one's red. It's all good. Just another chance to accelerate. Oh, and there's no one in front of us. See, I don't mind stopping at red lights if we're first. It's when you get stopped at a red light and you're like 8th, you know? You might as well be Mario Kart. Where's the freaking banana peel? The Best Buy by my house went out of business, so I wasn't able to get an SD card from Target because they just have nothing over there. And I just did not want to have to order something on Amazon again. I've ordered like 6 things on Amazon for the projects I'm working on in the last like 3 days. And I was like, can I support any other businesses besides Amazon? I know businesses sell on Amazon, so technically you're supporting them, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean? So, I mean, Best Buy went out of business, so I went to Target, they have nothing. So I found myself seriously ordering things on Amazon inside of Target. And I'm sure if the CEO of Target knew that, he'd be pretty upset because I was already there. I was in the store, car was parked outside, nothing on the shelves that I needed. Like, I needed a micro HDMI adapter, and like, that's pretty hard to find. But honestly, everything else, oh man, that scared me. There was a police officer sitting under that tree back there, and we picked a good time not to test the acceleration. But anyways, I ordered on Amazon. It's coming tomorrow, but all right, you already know what time it is. We got open road, kind of curves to the right, but you know. Oh! Got him! Oh my God. Dang. That was a brand new Accord that we just pulled on. Jesus. Oh man, I'm shaking. Woo! That was good. That was good. Dang, had to give him the hazards. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do we buy a 370Z? I mean, that would be insane. They kind of cost a lot. I mean, you could almost buy 2 pretty nice 350Zs for the price of one 370Z. So if there's a deal, like if I could find one for like 13 or 14K, maybe with, you know, a little higher mileage, make it a drift car. I don't know. I did hear the 2018s breathe a little bit better in the top end, so maybe we have to do that. But then I'd have to finance it. Oh, there's a truck. Anyways, thank you so much for tuning in. Hit the subscribe button. Drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.